Okay, so we've got our crowns and we have our bridge. Now, if we right click and save the scene, it's going to save this as one STL file. We don't want to do this. So we can go ahead and click next. It's going to take us back to Dental DB. And we can now open these teeth, and we have all sorts of different things here. We've got a crown, and we also have another restoration here, a bridge over here. So if we just go ahead and double click on the bridge, it'll pull it up in Mesh Mixer. And you can see now that we do have a temporary bridge. Let's go ahead and open up our slicing program. In this case, we're going to use Rayware. And we can now drag the bridge over, and we can drag the crown over as well. So obviously, there are certain areas where we can tolerate supports and ones that we don't. So in this case here, we're going to have to move these crowns around a little bit. Sometimes we can print them with the occlusal side down. In this case here, I might want my supports to be on the buckle. So let's go ahead and rotate these. And so we can rotate that along the y-axis and rotate this along the y-axis as well. And then now let's rotate that around like that. And let's do the same to the bridge. And again, I always like to put everything in the center of the build plate, even though companies tell you that that these areas are accurate all over the build plate. I don't buy it. So here's our supports, and looks pretty good. Let's do the same thing and generate our supports as well. So we've got 2 restorations ready to print. I'm not connected to the printer, but if I wanted to print this, I would go over here to NextDent C and B. And as a resolution, I think 50 microns is better. I like to turn off enhanced surfaces. This is something that makes a surface smooth instead of rough, and I don't want to take away from anything with my accuracy. And it looks like we could print these in an hour and a half. And that's it for designing temporaries. In our next video, we're going to design a knife.